Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this adjustment. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a spanner set. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws during the process. Start by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad 330 and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage while working on your device. Next, carefully remove the back panel of the laptop. This typically involves unscrewing several screws located at the base. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is removed, you will have access to the internal components. Take a moment to inspect the hinges. If they appear loose or misaligned, this is likely the cause of any issues you've been experiencing. To adjust the hinges, locate the screws that secure them in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, gently tighten these screws. Be cautious not to over-tighten, as this could cause damage to the hinge or the laptop casing. If you find that the hinges are still not functioning correctly after tightening, you may need to realign them. This can be done by loosening the screws slightly, adjusting the position of the hinge, and then retightening the screws. Ensure that the hinge moves smoothly without any obstruction. While you have the back panel off, it's a good opportunity to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating, which can affect performance. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any issues you may encounter during this process. Additionally, we provide collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. After you've completed the adjustments and cleaning, carefully replace the back panel of your Lenovo IdeaPad 330. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure that all screws are tightened adequately to prevent any rattling or movement. Finally, power on your laptop and test the hinges. Open and close the lid several times to ensure that everything is functioning smoothly. If you notice any persistent issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. By following these steps, you can effectively adjust the hinges on your Lenovo IdeaPad 330, ensuring it remains in optimal condition for years to come. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.